How to contact customer support on Ring app. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can contact customer support on Ring application. For that, open your Ring application on your mobile device. And on this homepage here at the left top, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines and from here click on Control Center. Once you reach to this page, you scroll down and at the very end, you will find Customer Service option under Help section. Click on it and here you will find Contact Support option. Click on it. Here scroll down and there you will find various options. From here you can contact with customer support. You can either chat or call with them to contact them. So in this way you can contact customer support on Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.